Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Again, this is Cookie and today we're going to talk about curly hair. Yes, I'm going to share with you the 3 products I use to achieve this more defined curly hair. So to give you an overview, nagpapariband ako for the past 2 decades. Okay, I only stopped hair straightening or hair relaxing or hair rebonding or whatever it is that could make my hair straight in 2017 when I fell in love in free diving and I said I would embrace this curly hair because I'm always under the sun and my hair would always soak in salt water. So I said I'm going to embrace this and love this curly hair. So fast forward to 2021, here it is now. It's very curly and it's very island girl. Yes. So if you want to know the 3 products I use or the 3 products, my favorites, so stay tuned. So first, I use this Silk Scarf Hologram Hair Serum by Etude House. It was a gift from my sister, I think last year. So it's a very good product, non-sticky, and then it really defines your hair also. But my problem is after 24 hours, your hair would become like frizzy or medyo dry. So I suggest that you really have to wash it out at the end of the day or para maiwasan din yung medyo frizzy kinabukasan. So, ayan. So, though hindi ito yung ginamit ko for this one, so I'll show you to my next product kung ano yung ginamit ko to achieve this defined curly hair. Though this hologram serum, it could also achieve something like this. Okay, but ginagamit ko siya on a regular days, like kung halimbawa nasa bahay lang, yan. Kasi parang hindi naman siya sayang kasi baka ma-expire lang din siya after 24 hours, yun lang yung problem. But the whole day, walang problema. Non-sticky, hindi mainit sa scalp or whatever. So on my second product, for my second favorite, this one, this pure virgin coconut oil from Human Nature. Okay, so this one, I also brought this in Dubai when I stayed there for 14 days. So actually, it's multi-purpose. Hindi lang naman siya pang hair. Pwede rin siyang face or body, or if you want a body massage, pwede mo siyang gamitin. And for oil pulling, someone na yung nag-oil pulling, nag-gargle ng oil before sila kumain ng anything or uminom ng anything. So, sabi nila maganda rin daw yun sa health. But this one, pang hair ko lang talaga siya ginagamit. And sometimes pang body, kung medyo dry yung skin ko, non-greasy din siya and hindi rin siya mainit. So, ito yung ginamit ko sa kanya ngayon. Ginamit ko ngayon. Yeah, it is only like 230 to 250 pesos in Shopee. So there are so many legitimate suppliers of Human Nature in Shopee. You just have to check kung sino na lang yung most discounted rates. Okay. So after 24 hours or after a day, hindi naman siya ganun katikas, though siguro kung hindi lang ako masyado nagsusuklay because I always use my fingers to comb lang. After kumaligo, after ng brush, and then during the day, medyo magko-comb na lang ako using fingers. Okay, so ayan, malambot naman siya. At hindi rin siya mainit, at hindi rin siya nakaka-pimple. Okay, this is my second product, this is my second favorite, and I always use it during my travel. So ayan, Human Nature Virgin Coconut Oil. Okay, check it on Shopee. Ilalagay ko din sa description box yung mga prices. So the third item is Curls by Zen Nutrients. You can buy it sa mall. You can buy it sa mall or eto, nabili ko rin siya sa Shopee. I think 300 plus. Ilalagay ko rin dito yung exact amount din niya sa screen or sa description box. description box. So it's a leave-in condition. It's not that super duper hair serum. Kasi I use Palmolive Violet and Crimson Blue for my hair. Though, if you are not the type of person na hindi naman lagi lumalabas, I think pwede mong gawin yung ginagawa ko na I don't shampoo every day. Yes, I don't shampoo every day, but I do conditioner every day. So, kasi when you do everyday shampoo, mas inaalis niyo yung nutrients or natural nutrients ng hair. So, kung hindi ka naman laging lumalabas, I think every 2 days, pwede ka naman din mag-shampoo, yun, or every 3 days. Pero kung lagi kang lumalabas, yes, I know, kailangan ko rin mag-shampoo kung araw-araw tayong lumalabas ng bahay kasi masyadong polluted ang Pilipinas, okay? So, ayan. So, ito, though yung problem ko nga lang with cream silk kapag third or fourth day na ako nagko-conditioner, medyo freezing na rin siya. So, anything in excess is bad. Okay? So, anything in excess is bad. So, I use these curls by Zen Nutrients as alternative with my cream silk. So, ginagamit ko siya from time to time. So, what I did today, ginamit ko muna to. Nag-shampoo ako ng Palmolive Violet. And then, ginamit ko muna to with my damp hair. So, itatowel dry mo lang siya. And then, damp hair, ginamit ko to. And then, sinunod ko to. Itong virgin coconut oil. So, pero, pwede rin naman siyang gamitin ito lang. Or pwede rin naman ito lang. But today, kinumbine ko rin kasi sila. Kasi nga, hindi ako nag-conditioner. So, ginamitan ko ng curls by Zen Nutrients. And thank you, Hairworks Makati, for my haircut. And sila rin nag-introduce sa akin itong curls by Zen Nutrients. You can buy it sa Shopee again. So, sa mall, pwede rin siya sa mga Zen Nutrients shop. So, they also have conditioner. And, so, mas ginusto ko itong leave-in conditioner. Kasi nga, medyo maaksaya ako sa hair conditioner na conditioner talaga dahil marami ako mag-apply. And this one, kahit pea-size lang or kahit ganyan lang, pwede na siya. So, pwede na siya. Yan, like this. Yan. And again, I'm also using this favorite Paganini brush, okay? I'm also using this Paganini brush. It's a dupe of Denman brush. Yeah, Denman brush. It's a dupe of Denman brush. It's just like 125 pesos, I think. I also bought it in Shopee. Yeah. So, it's a brush for curly hair. Pero hindi na ako masyado nagbabrush pag once na naset ko na siya kasi nagugulo lang lalo yung curls. So, I use this with my wet hair, damp hair, okay? So, yeah, that's all, guys. And I hope you enjoyed and hope this video helps sa mga curls. And I hope you could also learn how to embrace your curly hair. Yes. So, ma-realize nyo, marami pala nagkakagusto ng curly hair. Okay, so, thank you for watching and I'll see you on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Okay, bye!